Hi, Marta Valle here with PascuaFloridaHomes.com, powered by MVP Realty. Today I'm bringing you the GREENVIEW Floor Plan by CC Homes. It comes standard as a 3-bedroom plus den, but here it is upgraded to a 4-bedroom. So usually you have 2.5 bathrooms. Here we'll see 3 full bathrooms. So let me show you around. As you come in, usually you have right away here where this wall is, the entrance to the den. When you make this a bedroom, this here is usually a half bathroom. It upgrades to a full bathroom. And then also the entrance to the bedroom comes on this side. So you'll have this front bedroom. Usually it would have been a den. Then over here, so you come here, you have this great room with an open floor plan, nice big kitchen, and also a beautiful pantry over here. Very spacious. Let me show this to you. Here right away to the left you have the entrance to 1 bedroom and also to the laundry room. And then a little further you have the entrance to the other bedroom, and those two are connected with a Jack and Jill bathroom. In the back you have the master bedroom. Let me just show you this here. You have sliders here and a lanai that can be screened in. Over here you have also extended pavers to this part. Okay, and then this here is the living and dining area. The kitchen. There's the entrance in the back. So here you see the 2 bedrooms. You enter to the 2 bedrooms here. Then in the front you have the den, or here it's an upgraded bed, upgraded to a bedroom. And you have the master right here. So let me show you these 2 bedrooms. I'll go to the one that's further in the front first. This one here is like this. And let me just back up. Here's the laundry, and this one has the upgrade of a utility sink. And you have a 2-car garage. So this is the door to the garage over there, straight ahead. Here, you have the door to the bathroom with a dual sink. They're under mount, upgraded height here. And a shower tub. And also a window that's kind of higher up, so it's nice. Doesn't disturb when taking a shower. And then here's the other bedroom. This one comes also with a walk-in closet. I'll show the walk-in closet in a moment. So here's the exit. And the walk-in closet is actually right here. Oops. Nice and spacious. As you come out, you have here another linen closet. So again, here, this one faces a pond, this property. Let me give you again a view of the great room with the kitchen. And then this way is the master bedroom. This house is upgraded so that there's tile everywhere. Usually you have carpet in the bedrooms. This floor plan comes with a very large walk-in closet in the master bedroom. And here's the master bathroom. Dual sink, really nice niche over here so as to put all your shampoo and everything. If you have any question about new construction or resales in Ave Maria, please give me a call at 239-232-5563. And as always, remember to bring your realtor when going to the builder so you can be represented. It does not cost you anything. You don't get a better deal if you don't bring your realtor. But as I said, you can be represented. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and God bless you.